Hello, my name is Merlinda from Picture Me Crafting, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of some honey that I ordered from Jig's Farm. This box, this is heavy, but it's packaged nicely. So I wanted to open it up because I've been hearing a lot about his honey. It's raw organic honey. So instead of buying some here at the farmer's market and stuff like that, I said, let me try his. Tracy, PIA, she's always talking about it. And then I was watching Miss T with the tea, and she was frying some chicken, and the lady she was with was talking about some combination she did, and I just been hearing about it, so I wanted to try it. Ooh, it's packaged very, very nicely. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Nice packaging. Pure raw honey. This is nice. This is nice. So let's see, how many did I get in here? I believe it's a gallon, and I believe he separated it all for us, so I don't have to do that for my kids. They can just come get their bottles. So we got five. And I'm going to keep this box, and I'm going to keep this because I can use it later. But this is nice. So when I pick something, I'll let you guys know. But for now, this is it. This is 1 gallon. Shipping wasn't expensive. It was everything was very reasonable. Plus the fact that you're not getting this big gallon and you got to figure out what to put it in and stuff like that. That helps me out a lot. So I'm very happy. I'll let you know how it tastes. But so far, it came timely. The ordering process was quick and easy. That's all I can say. Now I can't wait to fix something with it and use it. You all have a good day, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.